Welcome to Accademia Barilla. Today's recipe is a grape must jelly called sugoli, and I will prepare it using 3 different table grapes variety: Sultana, Pans and Moscato. Using 3 different varieties of table grapes makes your grape must jelly richer in flavor. For 6 serves you need 4 pounds of table grapes in order to obtain nearly 4 cups of juice. The first step will be crush the table grapes to get the juice out, and the best way to do it is with your hand. It's not an easy job because you need some strength to do this, but my advice would be to starting with crushing with your hand and then take a few berries at a time and squeeze them like this. When all the grapes have been crushed, we will pass the juice through a sieve. And a final squeeze just to get as much juice that we can. We got 4 cups of juice, and so we will need 3 ounces of all-purpose flour. We put the flour in a bowl. The flour has been sifted to avoid the lumps. Then we add a bit of juice. We mix with a whisk. Be sure to mix very well and not have any lumps at all. Once the mixture is smooth, we can add the rest of the juice and keep mixing for a couple of minutes more. Now we move the mixture into the pot and bring it to the boil. Remember to stir constantly. Once it's boiling, let it boil for 3 or 4 minutes so the flour will cook. Now the jelly is ready and you can see how thick it is. And until it's still hot, I will move it into the molds. These are molds for a single serve dessert. And these are smaller, so you can use them to present the grape must jelly with cheese. Now I put the molds into the fridge for at least a couple of hours. The small jellies are ready, and now I'm going to unmold them very carefully. And I will use them to pair with the pecorino cheese and hazelnuts, like this. And this is a dish that you can serve at the end of the meal instead of the dessert or before the dessert. The single serve dessert took a bit longer, but now it's ready. And again, we have to be very carefully when we unmold it. One serving suggestion could be to serve it with fresh cranberries, fresh mint, and ground dark chocolate. And you can also enjoy it with a glass of Moscato.